Amazon wants you to overspend on ads. Here's to outsmart them. So the first thing that you're going to do is actually log into your Amazon Seller Central, go to advertising, and then campaign manager. Once you're in campaign manager, you're going to see all of your ads that you're running, or maybe you haven't started running ads yet, which is completely fine. But you're going to go right here, sponsored ads, campaign manager, right? And then you're going to see this button and it says settings. Right. And no, a lot of people don't even know about this, but once you click on settings, you can actually set a daily budget cap. So that means if I set this as $50 a day and I click save, pretty much I won't be spending more than $50 a day on Amazon ads ever. Right. So even if my campaigns are set at $1,000 a day, my daily budget cap is 50. So it's not going to go much higher than that. Now, they do have an average daily budget increase, so you want to look at this too, but this is one of the main ways that will make sure that you're not overspending. So that's one way to automatically do that is click use daily budget cap, save that $20 a day. So you don't log into Amazon one day and all of a sudden you're spending $100 per day. It was the weekend, you didn't know, you spent $400 and now you're not happy. You don't want that to happen. Another thing that you can do is go into portfolios. A portfolio is like a folder that holds all of your files, just like in school for math class, you had a folder that held all of your math papers, your math homework. Your portfolio is going to hold all of your campaigns for one product. So you're going to click create portfolio. You put your portfolio name, right? You can do, if we're selling bags, you can do bags, right? Create portfolio. Once you create your portfolio, it's going to look something like this. And then you can put all of your campaigns under one portfolio. Whenever you make a campaign, you can just click move to portfolio, and then you can have all of your campaigns in one portfolio, right? So all these campaigns are on one portfolio. But what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way to the right of the portfolio, click modify portfolio. And now we have a monthly recurring budget. So right now, this one's set to $1,000 a month. So even if I go to sleep and I go on vacation and I come back, I am not spending more than $1,000 a month on this portfolio. If you have 5 products, 5 portfolios, you could set each one has its own budget. So that way you're not overspending per month, right? So this is another way to do it. And then you can and whatever's unspent, if you click on this, it can go to the other portfolios if you want. But right now we have recurring monthly. It never ends, $1,000 a month. Pretty decent if you want to make sure you're not overspending. So the first way I showed you is super easy. This second way is a little bit more complicated, but it is better for advanced sellers on Amazon. But that is it for today's video. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.